Okay, now.
We are at freaking Omen Animal Hospital. We do not know which number Jeep this is, but it's over 10. Alyssa, go.
What do you got?
A
The
green
green one?
apple.
Okay.
I think Dan will stay.
Okay.
Wait, no.
There I go.